Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn on location sharing on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, as far as I'm aware, the process is pretty much identical between mobile and PC versions. So you can use whichever version you like and follow this tutorial and everything should be clear. But let me start with the PC version, or well, I'll just do it here because I have it up on my screen right now. So yeah, what you're going to need to do to actually turn on location sharing is you're going to need to go into your account manager. You can just do that by clicking or tapping on your profile icon in the top right and just clicking manage account settings, and then you'll be taken to your Google Account Center. Here, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into people and sharing. Here is where you're going to set everything up. So what you're going to do is you're just going to scroll down until you find location sharing. As you can see, you aren't sharing your real-time location with anyone on Google at the current moment. Well, my location isn't even on my PC, so I couldn't even if I wanted to. But if you want to, you can manage location sharing by clicking on this button. And here, as you can see, I'm not sharing, but on this list, if you had your location turned on, you will be able to add people, which will then be able to follow your current location live on Google Maps. And that is pretty much it. As I've mentioned, it is pretty much identical in between platforms, so you don't really have to do anything differently. The exact same process applies. You just go into your profile icon in the top right, both on mobile and PC, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.